Now, let's synchronize the payments. Remembering that payment is the only thing that you can synchronize from SlabWare to QuickBooks, and also the opposite from QuickBooks to SlabWare. Only the payments that have already been totally paid can be synchronized with QuickBooks. We are gonna start creating a payment that has already been received. After creating, wait for the pop-up and hit refresh. You'll be able to see a QuickBooks icon on the side of your edit payment. Clicking on it, you'll be redirected to the payment at Quilby. As you see, the payment refers to an invoice. You can check that was made a $5,000.00 payment. Now, let's create a payment on QuickBooks and transfer that to SlabWare. The invoice on QuickBooks is totally paid. Hit the full payment button from QuickBooks. And here we go, everything is transferred quickly.